Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never seen any of my previous videos. Today we're going to get into long Marley twist. That's right. Hope you guys like my accent too, by the way. It's real. Show ass. So first you want to grab a piece of hair. You don't have to untangle it, but if you have hair out, just grab a piece, whatever size. And this part is optional. I don't know why I added grace. I took it out 2 days later. But anyway, you want to grab a piece of 2 hairs and make it 4. That's it and that's all. Make a 4 piece. So then you want to make a 3 piece, just like from Popeyes. Then you want to grab it with your index finger. Now for this part, you want to try and grab 3 pieces of your own hair. And then you want to tightly, but not too tight, grab the middle piece. And you want to keep on grabbing the middle piece until you get like 6 knots in. And you want to do it tight like I said, but not too tight. You want to keep grabbing the middle piece. Okay, now, this part is critical. You want to take the 3 pieces and make it into 2. And as you do that, you want to take the 2 with your fingertips in your hands and twist and turn. Twisting and turning, that's it, baby. Okay, so when you get to 75% of the hair, braid, twist, grab another piece and put it right on top and use your fingers to twist. Make sure it's even at the bottom. Use your hand to hold the hair steady too. You don't have to bite, but biting does make it hold steady so you can get the rest of the long hair. And that's all it is to it, folks. You're done. Okay, I'm going to show one more time on this side with this part. And don't mind my edges. Yes, I did put edge control on my edges. But it's okay. Don't judge me. And if you do, oh well. Thanks guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you later.